Okay, let's talk about hair system in Cinema 4D. It's in a simulation in a hair section. You can see we have a lot of tools for hair mode, hair selection, hair tools, and option. And if you want to use them, you have to go to these menus and choose different need different tools for selecting hair. But we have a specific UI for hair. It's here. It's a groom. If you click, you can see the selection tools are changing, the symmetry, hair symmetry, and we have all other tools for editing the hair. Nice. So, for example, we can simple. The workflow is very simple, but editing that it's a little bit tricky in Cinema 4D. You can go simulation, and if you want, you can add these buttons, hair, fur, for better using here. For example, you can drag and drop the trim, but simply add a hair. I need this hair here, or you can create a if you go to the window and customization, you can create a new UI layout for that. And this is on guides. You can see we have double click, we have a different material for her. These are not actually material, they're just an option for changing. For example, you can change the king, you can change the hair style for here, but you cannot see there because you have to render the hair or use interactive render to using that. These are guides and this is a render. So we have a different settings for material of the hair here. If you click the hair here, you can see we have lots of tab for controlling the hair also here, and also lots of tools here that I want to explain them one by one. Okay, let's begin. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.